Hi everyone, this is Arad from English for Everyone, and today in this video I'm going to talk about this proverb, which is strike while the iron is hot. You might have seen iron when it's heated. When it's heated, it turns red. It becomes red when you heat it. And then if you strike on the iron, then it will change. It will take shape. If you know how to do that, then it will change according to your will, according to what you are doing to that piece of iron. Okay, so this is also the same. This is the same picture, but is used to tell people to take the chance, to use the opportunities that are around them. If something comes up, then someone might say, strike when the iron is hot, and by that they mean just do not let this opportunity go. Use this for your benefit. Okay, so if there is a chance of winning let's say a game, then they encourage you to participate in the game or the sports or any event that they know that you will be the winner. Then they might just tell you this way: strike while the iron is hot means get the chance, take the chance, okay, and do not let it go. Let me give you some examples. It will be very easier to understand. This is the best time in the last 10 years to buy a house. Strike while the iron is hot. Okay, so this is the best time in the last 10 years. Imagine now, because of I don't know, an election or a referendum, or I don't know, something like this. Things has changed, prices has changed, price of the houses has gone down. Then this is a good time for people who can afford and buy a house. If they buy now, they have bought something very, maybe half price, maybe, I don't know. So then the person informs the other and tells about this opportunity, okay, opportunity of buying houses, and then encourages the listener, the one in front, to use this opportunity, to not let it go by taking action. Okay, so we tell people what their opportunities are, what they have in front, what are the things, the roads that they can take and be successful or something like that, especially the ones that are just one-off, okay, and are not there always. Then we tell them, strike while the iron is hot, and we mean just do it, do not let it go, okay. And we also sometimes just break it and use the half or some part of it, okay, mean the same thing. Lisa is in a good mood now. Strike the iron and ask her for a favor. Okay, over here we've got a person, maybe a moody person, which is on the good one now, okay, on good mood now. So maybe a minute later or an hour later, she is not in this mood, in this good mood, okay? So now this is an opportunity to ask for a favor, okay? So the person just advised the other that the third person, Lisa, is in a good mood. Strike the iron and ask for a favor. Over here, strike the iron is a part of the full thing, okay? Sometimes we use a part of the proverb or saying or the idiom, and we know that the person knows what we're talking about. The person, we just say this one, but the person hears the whole thing. Why? Because they know this expression by heart. Alright? So, but if we are talking to someone that is a new learner, or we doubt if they know this expression, we'd better not do so and either tell them the full thing or teach them or tell them beforehand and tell them that this means that, and then we can use this. Otherwise we might just confuse them and they go really do this, and they strike an iron, something like this. Find something and just strike it, because you have told them to do so, and they do not know what you mean really. Alright? Okay, now let's look at the third example. When you have a customer on the phone, strike the iron, strike while the iron is hot, by offering special discounts on certain items. This is the manager of a company, or let's say a help center. You know, these centers that we have to sometimes we have to call, or maybe something's broken, or I don't know, we need some help and we just call them. And while we are on the phone waiting for the code to come, or I don't know, something like this, they start this. Oh, did you know that we've got blah 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 blah? What are you using at the moment? Oh, are you using that one? Oh, did you know that we've got this for you? And all other stuff. So maybe this is one of those buses telling these helpline customer advisors and these kind of people that use these opportunities. While they're waiting for you, they can't hang the phone up, and they're waiting for you, use this opportunity and just bombard them with these kind of information. When you have a customer on the phone, so this is the opportunity. Iron is hot. What should you do? Strike while the iron is hot. What is the iron? Iron is the customer on the phone. Hot. And then how can they strike? By offering special discounts on certain items. Oh, did you know that we've got this for 10p? Oh, you can take this, as many as you want. Alright, so this is where you strike. Of course not just this, it might be used in other areas as well, but mainly to tell people to use their opportunities, not to let it go. If you have some examples for me, would you please write them down below this video and let me see them as well? That would be great. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye!